Hello everyone, it's January 31st. My name's Purusha. Welcome to Crypto Counselor, and I just wanted to say straight away thank you very much for people who have subscribed. It's really nice. I know this is a new channel and I'm just really grateful that I'm getting subscribers and supporters. I don't want to say subscribers, I'll just say supporters, because supporters are actually really, that's kind of more of a focus. Subscribers are kind of more professional and just, it doesn't sound very genuine. Anyway, welcome everyone. So for any of the people out there who are new to Bitcoin, there's such a thing called Bitcoin forks. And Bitcoin forks are when Bitcoin is pretty much like a clone of Bitcoin, and then the people who are running that fork, they can actually earn money and then they can also build software on top of that as well. Sorry about that, guys. So Bitcoin Interest has come out, and Bitcoin Interest forked, I think about 8 hours ago. Very, very good that it forked. And there's an article here on Cointelegraph, which I really, really like. So just check out Cointelegraph. And it's a familiar innovation for crypto economy. So there were other forks like Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Gold, Bitcoin Diamond, and then, we had Bitcoin Private that just happened, and now Bitcoin Private is going to happen soon, and Bitcoin Interest. And what I really like about Bitcoin Interest is that it is actually like an interest-bearing account. So anyone out there who actually owns Bitcoin, and it can be 1 Bitcoin, it could be half a Bitcoin, it could be a third, it could be 1/10 of Bitcoin, because Bitcoin you can divide by 1 million. So don't worry even if you have $100, but it's an interest-bearing account. And there's actually a website which is called Bitcoin Interest, www.bitcoininterest.io. It's a really nice little clean, cool looking website. Nice little video here that you can watch. It forked at 505083 for any of the people out there who do mining and as such, and who wanted to take a snapshot of your Bitcoin. But anyway, that's when it actually forked. So today is January 31st, so it probably forked, I'm just assuming maybe about 8 hours ago. So that's all quite new. Subscribe for email alerts. There's technology behind Bitcoin Interest, community. Savings, that's a golden thing about Bitcoin Interest. It's really good. Our savings technology allows our coin holders to park their holdings and earn weekly or monthly interest payments in the form of Bitcoin Interest. Now, I find that interesting because unlike other forks that have actually happened with Bitcoin, any Bitcoin holder that actually has some Bitcoin, you can actually earn interest off your Bitcoin Interest by holding Bitcoin. And that's actually something that could bring a bit of stability into the price of Bitcoin Interest and also help it raise in value more. Now, Bitcoin Gold, I don't know what that is right now, but I think it's $200 or anyway, it's something like that, or $180 or 140 US. And your Bitcoin Cash is huge. That's like, 1500 plus US. And Bitcoin Interest, it could actually retain its value. Of course, we don't know with all these forks what's going on, but it has a pretty good incentive for people to earn interest off whatever the coin is. Now, just say hypothetically, if the coin went to, $300, say if it went to $300 and then someone owned 1 Bitcoin and they just put it in an interest-bearing account, and they could be earning, I don't know, like 10% interest per year or something like that. We don't know what the interest is going to be. There's one good thing about it. It says that there's going to be no set interest amount on these coins, which is interesting. So that's under interest rates here. And that depends on 2 things. So no set interest rate. There is no set interest rate. So that's really, really cool. And there's a comparison chart here, so it's Bitcoin Interest there. It has replay protection, which is actually really good. So people who have Ledger and like Ledger Nano S's and Trezors, which is like a hard storage wallet, that could be good to actually try to get it off there. At the moment, the wallet download will be available soon, so it's not yet to be announced. Bittrex would be one of the best exchanges, so hit BTC and OKX. And the team is I find the titles quite funny. Legendary Lars, the Code Father, Noodles, and the Mexican, and questions and answers. So you can have a look at that. And there you go. So Bitcoin Interest is out. And for the people out there who are tech people, because I'm not really a tech kind of person out there, I got some info So as of now, you can't mine Bitcoin interest. They're testing. So the mining software that's compatible with most graphics cards. Windows and Linux, EWBF miner compatible with NVIDIA graphics cards on Windows and Linux. Claymores AMD miner compatible with AMD cards on Windows. OptiMiner compatible with AMD cards on Linux. And there you go. So a bit of information there for the people who like to mine. There, some Bitcoin interest there. It's forked. Really great. Really love the incentive here to actually earn interest. And that actually means it could be a good little project for the future of this Bitcoin interest actually rising in value. And you know what? As I always say, if you're getting free coins and it's actually off something stable and real and it's not dodgy and it's not a lending platform and it's nothing actually for you to worry about. This is actually what's great about Bitcoin. You can actually earn free money off it as long as you're taking care and you're not giving away your private keys to any sites or any third parties, which you don't. And that's a really, really good thing. And that's what I love about Bitcoin. If you own any kind of Bitcoin, you can actually earn some money off it as long as you do it correctly. But anyway, for you guys, have a look at this article, Cointelegraph, Bitcoin fork, Bitcoin interest article, and yeah, take care of yourselves. Bye.